welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and watching another video. So today I'm here with my, I guess, heat trained wash day straightening routine. Don't know what I'm gonna title this yet, but since I have made the heat training video, a lot of you guys have been asking for my straightening routine, which I have so many straightening videos on here, but I'm going to make this video as kind of like a template basically to refer everyone to of my wash days or heat training days, whatever you want to call it. So the technique stays the same, but the products change. Obviously, I like trying out new products. I get sent different products, but I will basically go through and show you right now what are my staples, what I use, and what I do for anyone who is wondering. Yeah, so I did do my hair, and first of all, let's do a little hair appreciation right now, a hair growth appreciation, because like my hair is definitely growing back from that cut, because I think, yeah, this part definitely grew out, because when I first got the cut, it was literally like right there, probably a little bit past like my armpit length, and that was back in, was it August or September? I don't know, I can't remember, but it's really growing out really nice, and I'm like super excited about it. I know you guys are gonna ask me, what are you doing to grow your hair? Don't worry, because a video is coming. I'm gonna be adding like more things into my hair growth regimen, because since we're in quarantine right now, y'all, I'm like taking this advantage of I don't need to necessarily like have my hair done, so I can have my hair in braids, you know, all of the above. So stay tuned for that video. But yeah, I'm loving the length so far. I'm loving how my hair is coming along, and I'm so happy. Like, the cut was the best decision I ever like made in my life. So let's go ahead and jump into the wash day.
Hey guys, so I'm starting out with a month-old braids that I had under my wig. So yeah, first things first, we gotta take it out. I'll be using some water, and I always detangle my hair before wash day, regardless of how my hair was before. If it was straightened, I'll use a wide tooth comb to detangle, but I learned my lesson. You always detangle before you wash, okay? So for this, I just use my mister bottle to dampen my hair so I can finger detangle. And since my hair was in braids for a month, I definitely want to make sure I remove all of the shedded hairs before I wet my hair, because that's just gonna cause a whole bunch of mess that you don't want. So yeah, so here I'm just finger detangling, getting out as much shedded hair as possible. And I am going in with the Shea Moisture Mafura and Manuka Honey Deep Conditioner. Y'all know what it is. Right now, because they discontinued my high porosity deep conditioner, they tried it, but either way, this is like my second favorite deep conditioner. So I apply a very generous amount from root to tip, and I definitely make sure I focus on my ends, because those are the oldest parts of your hair. So I do go in sections. I'm pretty heavy-handed with deep conditioner because I just want to make sure my hair is getting its goodness, especially if it's been a while. I normally try to deep condition every 2 weeks. That's on a good month. But if it's a lazy month, I'm doing my hair once a month, let's be honest. So after I applied all the deep conditioners, and don't forget back there, okay? That needs some loving too. You want some long napes and edges, okay? So make sure everything is deep conditioned up, and I'm gonna put on a shower cap, and I let that process typically 30 minutes. This day I was doing house stuff, so it was on for like a couple hours. So for my straight hair routine, I do have a set of shampoo and conditioners that I like to use, and these are the three. So my Biosilk is for when I'm going out and I want to make sure my hair is laid and slayed to the gods. And then the Biotera is my everyday shampoo and conditioner. I have two different lines. I have the Long and Healthy and the smoothing frizz free line. This is Sally's, I guess like their professional or salon quality brand. I truly do love the Biotera line, so that is like a main brand that I use. So after I have let my deep conditioner sit for however long, I hop in the shower and I rinse it out. And then after, that's when I will go in and shampoo. So for this shampoo day, I ended up using the Biotera Smoothing Frizz Free line. And I really like this line because it definitely cleans your hair so good, but it doesn't strip your hair at all. And with these products, honestly, if my hair is not super gunky or dirty, I will only shampoo my hair once. And then if it is super dirty, then I'll go in twice. But if it's not necessary, I won't use it. After I shampoo, that's when I go in with the matching conditioner, and then I will do a detangling in the shower with my shower comb. And I love this comb because it detangles a lot better than my other wide tooth comb because it's like rounded tips. So yeah, so I detangle fully. And here I just wanted to show you guys my hair is growing out and recovering from my Denman brush incidents where I basically ripped out half of my hair. So yeah, you can see the difference, but even though I'm heat training, you can see my roots, everything else is coming in so thick, so strong. And most of the damage was in the front of my hair, so it's able to be masked. But I just wanted to show you guys that it is growing out and I love it. And for everyone that's going to come and say it's because of the heat damage, no honey, it's because of the Denman brush, because I'm going to show you the back of my hair where I didn't really had an issue detangling back there, and it was just a lot stronger and it wasn't as fine as the front. And even though my texture is looser from the heat, it's not thinned out like the front. So here you can see I still have my thickness from my root to the ends, but my ends are a little bit looser texture. So after I do that, I do the same thing to the front and back. After I've applied the conditioner to all of the different sections, I then go back in and rinse out with the coldest water that I can stand. I rinse out the conditioner and make sure it's rinsed out pretty good. And I do come and I give you guys like a closer shot of my texture. Again, if you are heat training, please understand your texture will loosen. If you still want to keep your natural curl pattern, heat training is not for you. If you ever want to go back, you are going to have to transition back to your natural texture. Okay, nobody's fooling y'all. It's what it is. So for my leave-ins, I use the same set all the time, but again, the products may switch out. I always use a leave-in conditioner. Right now, my favorite is the Biotera Ultra Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. I always use a silk infusion or silk therapy product. Right now, my fave is a Biosilk Silk Therapy. And my heat protectant is the Silk Elements Megasilk heat protectant, and of course my KMS HAIRSTAY to lock it all in. So this is like a few hours later, y'all. When I came back to finish my hair, I was lounging around for a little bit, so my hair is like 80% dry. So I'm gonna go in with my leave-in moisturizer, and I usually do this in 4 sections, but we're in lockdown, we're in quarantine, no one's going anywhere, so I wasn't as precise that I would usually be if I really want to make sure my hair is like laid and slayed to the gods. So I just applied it in the 2 sections, but usually I do it in 4 to make sure that my hair is evenly coated with all the products. And as you can see, I'm not super heavy-handed or anything because you do want your hair to be light and flowy. And with the heat protectant, I make sure I get it all up in there and also focus on the ends. So after I applied all of my leave-in, and I do all of this on damp hair before I dry my hair. Once my hair is dried or blow dried, I do not add anything else to my hair. I remember somebody asked me that. All products are applied on wet/damped hair. So after I apply the products, I will go in and do a light detangle and twist my hair up in the sections that I'm going to blow dry. It just helps me, makes it easier, and makes it go by faster. So for the blow dry, I typically do the tension method where I stretch my hair first to get it dried, and then I go on with the comb attachment to actually straighten out my hair. Since my hair was already 80% dry, I didn't really need to use the tension method to soak up the excess water. I just went in and blow dried my hair. I didn't do like a crazy super sleek blow dry because we weren't going anywhere. You will see that I have a lot of texture left in my hair after I finish blow drying it right here. Usually I do a better job at blow drying, but we're not going nowhere. But I'm gonna stop saying that because y'all don't care about that. So yeah, so my hair is not as flowy and not as light because I didn't super straighten it out. But yeah, and then after this, I just go in to flat iron my hair, and I do it in sections, and I do the chase method. So with heat training, I never flat iron my hair on 450 degrees. I was using 430 degrees. And today I did it on 400 because I didn't see the need to put like high heat on my hair, because I wasn't really aiming for that super sleek straight look. But if I am, I will flat iron my hair on 430 degrees. And even though I didn't do like a crazy super good blow dry job, you can see my hair is still flowy, still light, still like, you know, silk out. And I do the chase method. So yeah, I just go over my roots a couple times and then I pull it through the ends. And as you can see, I don't do super thin sections. I never have. I have fine hair. I have a lot of hair, but I have fine hair. So in order to not cause excess damage, I use medium sections to straighten my hair. And I still love the results I get because I still have body in my hair. And of course, it gets straight enough for me. So you gauge the heat setting that you want to use on your head. I never suggest anyone using 450 degrees. I feel like that's just absurd. Your hair can get straightened without that high temp, and you also preserve the health of your hair the lower temperature that you use, especially if you're going to be using heat consistently like I am. So please just keep that in mind. So yeah, I just basically go through the rest of this, straighten my hair, and then after I wrap my hair at night because that's what's really going to set it. You know, if you know, you know. And yeah, so I'm finished doing my hair and you'll see the takedown of it. And yeah, so that's really my routine. Again, it's a standard wash day routine, you guys. I guess what I focus on is just the products that I use. I like using basically salon quality or products.
Okay, you guys, so that's it. That's the end of my wash day. I really hope it was helpful. So for anyone who ever has questions on what do I do on my wash day, how do I heat train my hair, it's not necessarily even a really like heat training way. I just straighten my hair often, and I'm just very mindful of trying to protect my hair at the same time and mindful of the heat settings that I use. And I'm just a natural who wears their hair straight, guys. Like, that's really all heat training is. It's not nothing special. It's not a magic formula. It's just a natural girl who straightens her hair, and that's just how she prefers to wear her hair straight, and that's how she does it. Like, this part was bothering me. I had to throw it back. So that's really it. So I really hope this answered questions for all of you guys who was asking about a routine. If there's anything that I did not answer in this video, definitely ask below in the comment section. I hate when my camera's about to die, because then it's like I can't focus and say what I want to say, because I'm just like, please don't die. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you are not already subscribed, definitely make sure you subscribe for future videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, loves.